Question 6. What have you learnt about technologies from the process of constructing this product? Before I started my media coursework, I was completely unfamiliar with Photoshop and therefore had to learn my skills as I went along. On many of the magazines I analysed, the artists were cut out of a background on which the photo was taken and put onto a coloured background, so using the eraser tool, I cut out my artist, Maisie. I had to duplicate the background and take off the I button in order to cut it. I then used the eraser button located on the sidebar in order to make the process quicker. Once I had cut it out, I put it onto a yellow background on my double-page spread and used the arrow button to make it into the correct area of the page and clicked Command and T to change the size of the image and then Shift so that it did not distort the image and therefore fit appropriately onto the page. To make sure all of my body text on my double-page spread was identical, I clicked the View button situated at the top of the page, then Show and then Grid to make sure the whole of the body text had equal gutters and space between each word. Something else I did was create black boxes in order to make my cover lines look consistent on the page. I added a text box and duplicated it on the other cover lines so that the font and size remained the same and therefore it looked more professional.